and something at work. So that's next on the list. I have painting stuff everywhere. Oh my god, wait, let me show you what I painted yesterday. This is what I painted last night. It's my favorite painting I've done. I don't even think I've started this vlog, so hey guys, what's up? It's me, MacKenzie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is MacKenzie. Nice to meet you. It is 12:30 and I've had a long day. Like a really long day already. And I normally don't do this. Instead of sleeping until 3 a.m., I slept 4 hours and woke up at 9:30. Went to my doctor's appointment. Then I went to Dunkin', then I got gas, and then I had to bring my dad something while he was working, and then I came home, laid in bed for 30 minutes, and now I'm getting ready because I need to go take Instagram pictures. So if you guys haven't noticed, I haven't uploaded in a really long time, and I'm sorry. If you guys remember, I know I said it in my last video, but it might have been in the video before that too. I was sick for a really long time. And like we thought it was the flu because I kept testing negative for COVID, and then 6 COVID tests later I finally tested positive. So then I was in quarantine for a while, and now I'm finally better, you know, doing my thing. I'm out here living my life. Yeah, COVID actually fucking killed me. I ended up in the hospital at one point. Yeah, I don't recommend. But anyways, I'm back, I am better. Hopefully back to a regular filming schedule. And yeah, this video is just a little day in my life. I had a lot to do today and I wanted to get a video up for you guys. So this is kind of one of my more productive days. If it's not a productive day, then I'm just in bed all day. But today is a productive day. I'm actually doing stuff. So I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna get ready, and I'll see you in a little bit. It's so windy, but I forgot to show my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. Long sleeve TJ Maxx, t-shirt Shein, jeans are Hollister, and my Converse. I'm going to my mom's to take Instagram photos now. Hello. It is currently 3 o'clock and this lighting is so good. We took a bunch of Instagram pictures. They'll probably be up tomorrow, I want to say, so Friday, which will be before this video's up, so you guys have already seen them. I'm currently, ooh, fix yourself. I am currently going to be doing my mom's hair. Her hair is really curly, but we can never get it to stay curly, it just gets frizzy, so I'm gonna try to make it curly, hoping. Hello guys, it is a little bit later now. I think it's like 5:30. I got Kyoto for dinner. If you don't know what Kyoto is, it's Japanese food. So Kyoto is probably my favorite food ever. I literally eat it all the time. So got that for dinner. I think I'm just gonna lay in bed for a little bit, eat some food, and I have laundry going, so I'll probably put that away later. I should clean my room. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I might paint another picture. I don't know, we'll see. It is 7:45 and I cleaned up my room a little bit. I didn't do a lot. I put away my laundry, I cleaned up the floor, took my trash out, even though it was a day late. My dad's gonna kill me, but like whatever. I don't really know what else I'm doing for the night. Today was a really productive day. Like I did a lot today. Like if you know me personally, I did a lot today. Like pat on the back, I'm proud of myself. I think I might paint tonight. I don't really know what I'm gonna paint yet, so I'm gonna look on Pinterest for inspiration, and I'll be back later. Okay, so I painted something. I don't know how I feel about it. I need you guys to tell me. It's Lisa Simpson, and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I like it or not. I think I'm gonna hang it right there, and then I'm gonna do something else to put over that thing over there, I think. Okay, so it's not done, but my brother asked me to make this for him. She is almost done. I just gotta do another coat on the lips and then fix the outlining, but it is so cute. So much better than that one, but it's for Casey, not for me. So I'll have to do another one for me. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's like 11:30. I've been up since 9:30, which I haven't done in a while, so I'm probably gonna go to bed soon. I'm tired. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, that's okay too. Hopefully I will be back on a regular uploading schedule now that I'm feeling better. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.